In this video, I'll show you how I installed an inline fuel filter on my Beta R R50 with the AM6 engine. Step 1. Close the fuel tap to prevent fuel from leaking. Find the two hose clamps and place one on each side of the fuel filter. Find the two hose clamps and place one on each side of the fuel filter. Secure both sides of the fuel filter with the clamps. Reconnect the fuel hose to the tank and make sure everything is secure. Turn on the fuel tap and check for leaks before starting the bike. Thanks for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Beta R R50 maintenance, upgrades, and riding videos. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.